Hello, this is the schedule for day 2 of the technical session for the 2021 International Suck Rod Pumping Workshop. That was held virtually in February the 11th on Thursday. This is sponsored by the ALRDC, the Artificial Lift Research and Development Council. The day is divided up into 3 separate sessions, and the topics are for the sessions are new technology for suck rod pumping and research and development, and that's session 1, part 1, and then also session 3, part 2. Each of the presentations are about 30 minutes. They're 20 minutes long with a 10-minute question and answer following the presentation. The middle session is a keynote speech by Dr. Patrick Banger. It's on the artificial lift intelligence in the oil and gas field, and following that will be a panel discussion by artificial intelligence experts in the industry. So that is the outline. There'll also be time during the day to network and visit people that have. I think there's 11 booths, so they're virtual booths, but there'll be people manning the booths when we have the breaks. So that should work out pretty well. So now the people that are speaking are each going to say less than about a minute talk about their presentation for today.
Good morning, my name is Sebastian Manay, and today I will present how new physics can be used to solve problems on rod pump systems.
Hello and welcome to the International Sucker Rod Pumping Workshop. My talk is going to be on the status and workflow of artificial intelligence for artificial lift. My name is Patrick Bungert. I work for Samsung SDS as their Vice President for Artificial Intelligence, and I spent the last 20 years or so working for the oil and gas industry.
My name is Arslan Adil. I'm a Senior Production Optimization Engineer at Ambient.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Victoria Pons. I'm the CEO of Pons Energy Analytics.
And today we are going to present a failure analysis case study evaluating Ambient's impact of the closed-loop optimization system on horizontal bottom wells. At Ambient, we combine physics-data-driven approaches to oil and gas optimization using artificial intelligence and machine learning. We want operators to go from being able to only focus on 20% of their wells to achieving actionable insights and control automation so that you can optimize your entire asset.
In today's presentation, we'll show you 2 agnostic methods capable of improving the impact of a product or a design change regardless of lift type.
We look forward to you attending our presentation. Thank you so much.
Hello and welcome to the International Sucker Rod Pumping Virtual Workshop. Today, my talk is going to be on artificial intelligence in oil and gas to give you a broad overview of what is artificial intelligence and how can it help out.
Thanks to the organizers for the opportunity to share this presentation with you. I'm Gustavo Moreno. I'm a tech lead with YPF Technology. That is a technology company in the group of companies with the major oil producer in Argentina, this YPF.
I'm Tracy Reed with Silverstream Energy Solutions. Experience has shown most successful innovations come from the field. That's why we seek out novel technologies that help optimize artificial lift operations. Then we work alongside our innovation partners to generate awareness and validate field performance. So we invite you, join us February 11th at 1 p.m. Central for our session, discussion and analysis of field pilot results using a hydraulic shiv lock versus traditional methods to safely lock out beam pumping units. Look forward to seeing you there.
Hi, I am Pınar Karpuz-Pikel. I'm a materials engineer at Donman Pump and Supply.
And I'm Levins Thompson. I'm an applications engineering manager at Donman Pump and Supply.
And we will be sharing our findings on comparison of corrosion and wear-resistant barrel coatings and their failure behavior under acidic conditions.
it's a very interesting presentation. So we hope to see you there.
See you there.